Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My beloved brothers and sisters, Allah said in the Holy Quran, فَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَهُ وَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ شَرًّا يَرَهُ. So whoever does good deeds, whoever does an atoms of weight good deeds will see in the day of judgment. And whoever does an atom's weight of bad deeds, he will see it in the day of resurrection. My beloved brothers and sisters. Actually, every day you are doing lots of work. Do you know? Is it related? Is it related with our religion? If you do any smallest work that is related with our religion, you will be rewarded in the day of judgment. If you do the smallest sin, you will see it in the day of judgment. That's why, dear brothers and sisters, please try to do good deeds, good work in your society, in your life, in your family. Inshallah, I believe it. Allah said that you will be rewarded in the day of judgment. On the contrary, if you do any bad deeds in the day of judgment, you will see it. Allah will mention it in front of you. That's right, dear brothers and sisters. Allah said in the Holy Quran, فَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ an atom's weight, ذَرَّةٍ an atom's weight of good deeds. فَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَهُ وَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ شَرًّا يَرَهُ. An atom's evil, an atom's bad deeds, wrong deeds. Dear brothers and sisters, a small good deeds, it's good in the day of judgment. It will be rewarded by Allah. And smallest sin, it will be mentioned in the day of judgment, in the day of resurrection. That's why be careful when you will do any work in the world. Ma'asalam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.